Hi BWF. I have my musical water glasses on display today, as well as we're going to be learning a little bit about a grid chart to help us when reading music. I drew 3 pictures of water glasses. In the first row, I drew an empty glass. In the second row, I drew a glass with half the amount of water. And in the third row, I drew a full glass of water. Now, beside each of these rows, you'll see a little sticky tab. And you'll also see that they're different colors. The pink ones are worth a ta. The blue one is worth a tt. So we have TTs and TAs. Now, if you see a sticky tab beside a musical water glass picture, you'll know you'll have to play that particular water glass. So, to start, we're going to start with the empty glass. It's going to be played using a ta. Then we're going to move from left to right, beginning, middle, end. Next up we have the glass with half the amount of water that we're going to play. And then in the third row, up next, we have the full glass of water. And we have a blank space. That just means a rest. I'm going to put a pencil there just to show you that that means to rest. We're not playing anything in that column. Again, we go back up. Next sticky tab, we're going to play, once again, the empty glass of water. Then the glass with half the amount of water, followed by the full glass of water. There's another blank column. I'm going to put another pencil there just to show you that that's a rest. Now we have our TTs to play, starting on the full glass of water. So that's TT. Then we have to play another TT. Then we're moving up to the second row. TT. Another TT. And then the first row, which is the empty glass, ta. Second row, which is the glass with half the amount of water. And then last but not least, the full glass. And guess what? We have another rest there. So I'm going to put, I ran out of pencils, so I'm going to put a little drumstick there. Rest. Okay, now I'm going to play it non-stop, okay? I won't take any breaks in between. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Empty glass. Rest. Empty glass. Rest. Starting on the full glass. T, 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 T. Rest. Now, Mr. Jerry made a couple mistakes there, but he's going to put on the metronome to help sort that out. So we're going to play with a click. Okay, so follow along. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ta, ta, ta. Rest. Ta, ta, ta. Rest. T, 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 ta, ta, ta. Rest. Okay, so once again, I played this contour. Okay, I started here, started with the ta, 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 rest, ta, 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 rest, T, 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 ta, 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 rest.